Hi everyone. If you are someone who has kept up with the latest in AI, the developments have been happening in hyperspeed mode. In December, it was OpenAI's O1. January brought us DeepSeek R1. And in February, it was XAI's turn with Grok 3. And yes, Grok 3 comes with some phenomenal improvements over Grok 2. But is this the smartest AI as claimed by Elon Musk? Or is it just the hype? Let's look at the benchmarks. Grok 3, along with Grok 3 Mini, outperforms leading LLMs like DeepSeek-V3 and GPT-4o in key benchmarks. It excels in AIME, which evaluates proficiency in solving complex mathematical problems. Similarly, it also excels in GPQA and LCB. GPQA assesses advanced reasoning across multiple disciplines by testing high-level professional and academic knowledge, while LCB measures coding performance and problem-solving capabilities. But do these benchmarks justify it being called the smartest AI? This can be answered by the community through an unbiased blind testing. Chatbot Arena is one such platform that conducts unbiased blind tests to evaluate LLMs. In this, a question is asked to two anonymous LLMs, and the user selects the best answer. And you can see that the early version of Grok 3, that is Chocolate, has surpassed all major LLMs as per the community with an Arena score of 1402. So definitely, Grok 3 is a very advanced model indeed. If we talk about availability, access to Grok 3 is initially only available to X Premium Plus subscribers, which is approximately 1,750 rupees per month or $22 per month. They also have plans to introduce a separate Super Grok subscription. This is for users seeking the most advanced features and early access to new capabilities. Price details for Super Grok are yet to be revealed. When we speak of interesting features, there are three that they have announced: DeepSearch, Think, and Big Brain. DeepSearch is an AI agent capable of conducting comprehensive web and social media searches, delivering detailed reports to users. This feature is interesting but not unique. This feature is also available in Perplexity, Gemini, and OpenAI. From our initial testing, this feature does not seem to provide as comprehensive reports as provided by OpenAI and Gemini, but it's comparable to Perplexity. The next feature is Think, which is Grok 3 mini reasoning model. This is comparable to OpenAI's O1 and O3 mini reasoning model, where a detailed reasoning process of the LLMs is visible to the users. Last but not the least, Big Brain is a feature which is truly unique to Grok 3. This feature allows users to use multiple reasoning agents to solve complex problems. This also means utilizing additional computational resources, therefore longer time, but more comprehensive and well-researched responses. This feature is particularly beneficial for tasks requiring advanced reasoning, such as solving intricate mathematical problems or generating complex code. Now we come to the best part. How is it that XAI and Elon Musk made it all possible? The development of Grok 3 was accelerated by XAI's Colossus supercomputer, which utilized 100,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs in phase 1. Setting this took around 122 days, but they further expanded it to a cluster of 200,000 GPUs in phase 2, which just took 92 days. This is an exponential increase in compute over its predecessor, Grok 2. Interestingly, XAI decided to set up this data center on their own. But why didn't they outsource this process? The answer is simple. The third-party vendors were asking for around 18 to 24 months to assemble such a massive data center. In AI terms, this is like 10 lifetimes, and XAI could not afford to do it. So they decided to take on the challenge. To get this done, they faced two constraints: a building to store these many GPUs and the electric power to run the GPUs. For the building, they started looking for buildings and factories that went bankrupt and found one in Memphis, capable of storing 200,000 GPUs. The power requirement was tremendous. For a total of 200,000 GPUs, they needed 250 megawatts of power, and the building only had 15 megawatts of power. So they arranged trailers of generators on one side of the building. All right, power problem solved. But since they had so many GPUs, they also needed several cooling units. On the other side of the building, trailers of liquid cooling systems were installed. And here is a mind-blowing fact. Grok 3's training used 1/4 of the mobile cooling capacity available in the US. So with this amazing feat, is XAI resting? Not really. They have plans to build a data center with power requirements of 1.2 gigawatt. This means a GPU cluster with 1 million GPUs. How amazing would that LLM be? Only time will tell. Till we cover that, don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content.